Hello, good morning guys. Welcome back to school. Today we are starting and we are continuing with our virtual and online classes. This is a new format and in this video I will explain the work that we are going to do during the day. Okay? So, first we are going to start with our learning log. Pay attention to this video in which I will explain you what pages are we working on and what you have to do on each exercise. So enjoy this video and once again, welcome back. We are starting with our book 4 and the week 1. The question is, what are we good at? Let's start with page 24. The subject is, let's talk about school. We are reading the lesson First Day at School in our Awesome Reader. Please read it carefully and paying attention. You can find the lesson on the page 81 of your Awesome Reader book. After the reading, we will answer the exercises of page 24 of our learning log. The first exercise is read the clues and unscramble the words, something we have done many times in other activities. On the exercise 2, you have a question. Do you remember the first day at school? What can be scary? What can be exciting? You have to write your answers on the bubbles. Now, let's go to page 25. On the exercise 3, you have to think of words to describe your school, including its appearance, supplies, and activities. You have to think of 3 categories. For example, adjectives, the things that you like and dislike about your school, and write at least 2 words on each category. Finally, on exercise 4, you have to imagine a new classmate is arriving to your classroom. Think of 3 things you could do or say to make the new kid feel comfortable and welcome. One example of something that you could do is invite him or her to have lunch with you on your recess or to play with your friends. Finally, please pay attention to the key, lines of research. The questions are, when were the first schools established? What is the history of education in Mexico? You can use the internet to answer these questions in your notebook in the composition section. Okay, my kids, these are the instructions and the exercises for today. Remember, I will be in the platform and by email answering your questions or doubts. We will have meetings by Zoom, the app Zoom, in which we can have a conversation and I can help you with your questions or doubts about this job. Okay, so I hope that you have an excellent day and if you have questions, please do not forget to contact me by email or by the platform in the forum. So enjoy your work, enjoy your job and have an excellent day.